Welcome to the ultimate guide to achieving optimal health and wellness. We all want to feel our best and have a fulfilling life, but with so much information out there, it can be overwhelming. The first step to optimal health is to develop a healthy mindset. This includes positive self-talk, setting achievable goals, and learning to manage stress. Eating a balanced diet is another essential aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals can improve physical and mental health. Regular physical activity is also vital for optimal health. Finding activities you enjoy, such as running, swimming, or hiking, can improve cardiovascular health, strength, and overall well-being. Finally, establishing healthy sleeping patterns is crucial for maintaining optimal health. Restful sleep can improve mood, memory, and energy levels while decreasing the risk of various chronic illnesses. By combining these elements, you can achieve optimal health and wellness. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and happiness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.